Mapbox is a great way to provide some locational and geographical functions inside of your chatbot, similar towards Google Maps. Before you can use it inside of your flows, you will first need to go towards integrations, and then from there scroll down until you see the map section. From here, you will have Mapbox, and here you will be able to enter your API key. Once done, and once you have the verified status, you can go towards the flow builder itself and just go with an action node. From the action node, go towards integrations and scroll down until you see Mapbox API. From here, you have a few options at your disposal. So, for example, you can get geocodes, so longitude and latitude by address. You could also say, if I have it, vice versa. You can also get the address by geocodes. And last but not least, you can also get directions, just like with Google Maps. If we take an example by get geocodes by address, and let's just fill in a sample address, fill in the country code. And if we say test request, you will now see data being fetched, where you will be able to fetch the coordinates from the features section. You can go towards feature, properties, and from here you will have your coordinates. You can save the longitude as well as the latitude in separate custom fields on the right. So select your custom field, then press add to save the geographical data. Similar ways that you can do it with get address by geocodes, as well as get directions. You can map everything from the sample data that you receive towards your own preference and use it inside of your chatbot.